maybe we can sleep a little more.
Today is Zoo Day! Hey! Here is the Zoo Day! Yes! We go to the zoo today! Dad! Let's go to the zoo! Good morning, Ella!
You are ready very early.
Eat your food, Ella. We need energy for the zoo.
Okay, Mom!
I will drink my juice first. Ella, what animal do you want to see first?
I want to see the monkeys!
Do you have your bottle? Your hat?
Yes! Yes! And my lion, too! I am so excited!
I think we have everything.
Yes! Let's go! Zoo, we are coming! Bye-bye, house. See you later.
We will be back tonight.
The zoo is not far. We will be there soon.
I can't wait!
Ah,
Please wear your seatbelt.
Look, Ella!
there is the city.
Wow, it is so big. So many shops and cars.
So many cars! So many people!
Do you see any buses?
Yes! There is one! Mom, look! The sign has a giraffe!
Yes, Ella. We are close now.
One more turn, I think.
We are here.
Hooray! Take your backpack, Ella.
Hold my hand, Ella. There are many people. Okay, Mom.
I will hold your other hand.
Wow! The animals on the gate are huge!
It looks fun, right?
Yes! Let's go inside!
3 tickets, please.
Here you are. Have a nice day at the zoo.
Thank you! Thank you! Let's plan our day!
We can see monkeys, birds, and lions.
Yes, please! I want to see everything! First, we go here. Monkeys first! Yay!
Look at the pictures, Ella. Can you name the animals?
Lion, zebra, panda.
Good job.
They are so funny! Yes, they play a lot!
Say cheese, Ella.
Hello, little monkey!
Smile, Ella. I take a picture. The monkey is posing too.
Look at the colors! Red, blue, green.
So beautiful.
Take a photo if you like. Stay still, little bird.
Good job, Ella. You are a little photographer.
I want to remember this. You can feed the giraffe this leaf.
Here, Ella. Hold it with me.
Okay. Its tongue is so long.
You are very brave. The giraffe likes you.
Look, it makes a big splash.
That is amazing.
Hold on to the rail.
Oh, we are a bit wet.
The elephant plays with us.
That was cool.
Stay close, Ella. The lion is strong.
I will stay here, Dad.
It looks very proud.
It is loud, but I like it.
Yes, it is the king of animals.
Let's take a quick photo. Drink some water, Ella. Thank you, Mom. I am a little tired.
We can check the map again.
I feel better now. I am ready to walk again.
Good. Let's go slowly.
Hello, what would you like?
Can I have chocolate ice cream, please?
Of course.
One for me too, please. Be careful. It can melt.
I will eat it fast. Do not drop it. Walk slowly, Ella.
Okay, Mom. They are so gentle.
Maybe one will sit on you.
Look, Mom. It likes me.
Yes, it does. Stay very still.
That is beautiful.
There is a shark, Ella. Do you see it?
Yes, Dad. It is big.
The fish are pretty too.
Be gentle with the goat.
Okay, it is very soft. You are good with animals.
Smile for the camera.
Ha ha, it tickles. The goat likes you. We will sit here and watch you.
Look at me, Mom and Dad.
Be careful on the steps.
Are you ready? Yes.
I am ready.
Okay, slide down.
Whee! Good job, Ella.
That was fast.
This is a nice spot.
Yes, let's have a picnic.
I am very hungry.
What animal do you like best so far?
I like the giraffe and the elephant.
We saw many great animals.
Yes, it is a good day.
Can I have a sandwich, please? Here you are, dear.
I will take an apple. That cloud looks like a lion.
Yes, I see it too.
And that one looks like a bird. Can we buy a toy, please?
We can look inside. Maybe we find something small.
Let's see what they have. I love this lion.
Do you want this one?
Yes, Dad.
He is very cute. Thank you. Enjoy your new lion.
Thank you very much.
Welcome to the family, little lion. What is the lion's name?
His name is Leo.
Hello, Leo. Where do you want to go now?
Maybe the sea lion show later.
Good idea. We can rest a bit first.
Come on, let's go. Okay.
Hold my hand, Ella.
Let's go see the elephants.
Yes, they are my favorite.
Mom! Dad! Leo is gone!
Oh no. Where did you leave him?
Think, Ella. Think, Ella.
Where did you last have Toy Lion?
Maybe at the bench.
We will go back and look.
Okay. I cannot see him anywhere.
Do not be afraid. We will find Toy Lion.
We will look together.
We have a lost toy lion. Please watch for it.
I hope someone finds Leo.
I hope so too.
Do you see Leo here? No, Mom. He is not here.
Let's keep looking. Still nothing?
No, he is not here.
Let's try the bench again and then the desk. Excuse me, did you see a toy lion?
No, I am sorry. Where are you, Leo? Maybe he is at the bench. Mom, someone left a toy here.
Yes. We should take it to the information desk.
Okay, I will carry it. Excuse me, someone lost this lion.
Thank you, young man. You are very kind.
We are glad to help.
I will keep you safe here, little lion. Soon your owner will come.
Maybe we never see Leo again. Do not lose hope, Ella.
We will check the desk once more.
Okay, let's try.
Maybe this is the girl who lost the lion. Maybe this is the girl who lost the lion.
Hello again?
Is this your lion?
Yes.
That is Lion.
Thank you so much. We are very happy.
I missed you, Lion.
We are happy you are back.
Please hold him carefully now.
This boy found your lion.
Thank you, Max. You are welcome. We are glad you have him again. This boy found your lion.
Thank you, Max.
You are
Welcome.
We are glad you have him again. Ready, everyone? Say cheese! Cheese!
That is a great picture.
We must go this way now.
We go to the sea lion show.
Maybe it will rain a lot.
The clouds are very dark. The rain is strong.
My mom has an umbrella.
We can wait here until it stops. Look at the big puddles.
Wow, a rainbow.
It is very beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The colors are so bright.
We go this way now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you again. Bye, Max.
Bye, Ella. Let's find good seats.
I want to sit in the middle. Okay, we sit here.
I can see the whole pool.
Say hello to our sea lion.
Hello.
Look at that jump.
So high. How can it do that?
It practices a lot with the trainer.
It is very clever.
This is my favorite show.
I like it too.
Me too. The sea lion is great.
We had a big day. Yes.
I am happy and tired.
Soon we will go home.
We can keep these. They are good memories.
Good idea. Can I see them later?
Of course.
Thank you, Zoo. Maybe we come again one day.
Yes, another time.
Everyone in the car, please. My feet are tired.
You can rest now, Ella.
I will sit with Leo. Goodbye, animals.
Did you have a good day?
Yes, it was the best day.
I am glad you liked it.
Look at the lights.
They are very pretty.
I feel sleepy now.
You can close your eyes.
She is very tired.
She had many adventures today.
Yes, she did. Home, sweet home. Let's carry Ella inside.
I will lift her.
Leo is safe, right?
Yes, Leo is safe.
You can sleep now.
Do you want some milk?
No, thank you. I just want my bed.
Okay, let's go to your room. Today was a great family day.
Yes, I am happy we went.
I like the zoo very much.
Look, this is the giraffe we saw.
Wash well, please.
Okay, Mom. The water is nice and warm.
Do not splash too much. The giraffe is very tall. The lion is very strong.
Just like today at the zoo.
Yes, just like today. Can you name this animal?
Monkey.
And this one?
Sea lion.
Very good.
Is my little explorer ready to sleep?
Yes, Dad.
Good night, Ella.
Sleep well.
She looks so peaceful.
Yes.
Sweet dreams, Ella.
Good night.
Good night, home.
Today was a wonderful day.